Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a cute card using a bunch of products. So we're going to be using the geometric patterns embossing folders, and we're going to be using this pattern here. We have the Les Shoppes Designer Series paper, the Bird's Eye View stamp set, Everyday Thanks stamp set, and the Nested Essentials dies, okay? So these are the products that we're going to be using to make our card. But before we get into that, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's start with our brand new paper pumpkin for September, which is With Love and Gratitude. It makes 8 treat bags, well, treat packages, 8 note cards, and the stamping spot is going to be Lost Lagoon. And there is an add-on that is available now while supplies last. That is an 8x10 journal. The item number is 163270, and it's $15 for that add-on. There's a closer look at everything. I can't believe they're giving like big sneak peeks of the stamp set and everything. That's awesome. Remember, it's still bonus days. So if you have any coupons that you earned in the month of July, go ahead and redeem those before the end of the month. Check your emails for your coupon codes from Stampin' Up. Next up, we have our host code for August 2023. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have for sale. They're medium flat rate USPS boxes. I filled it with about $200 in new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm only asking $40 each for the boxes. Shipping is included in that price. I can only sell them in the USA, and if you are interested, please email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com, and I will let you know how to pay for it, and you can let me know how many boxes you want. All right, that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project because we got lots to do. So I am going to start by doing some embossing, and we're going to emboss this piece of pebbled path that is 1 inch by 4 inch. So let's get our baby boss out here and get the plates that we need. And we are going to get our embossing folder. And I want my little triangles going down. So we're just going to line this up and run it through. Okay, so we have that done. Here's our strip all nicely embossed. That is so cute. So next we are going to do some adhering for our inside of our card. So I have a basic white here that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and I'm going to adhere a piece of Designer Series paper that is 3/4 of an inch. My mistake. And we're going to cut it down to 3.5. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I can't word today. My youngest son had a birthday on the 7th, and I got so busy. Him and my mom share a birthday, and I got so busy I forgot to do a video for Tuesday. So excuse me, forgive me. We're gonna cut this off with our scissors. I haven't decided if I wanted to stamp anything on the inside of the card. I probably should have. Yeah, let's go ahead and stamp. I should have stamped before. I'm going to take thank you for everything you do. And we're going to stamp that on the inside in some boho blue. I'm going to use boho blue. Let me get a block here. I wasn't prepared for this because I didn't plan it. Let's stamp that right there. Just like that. That's cute. And let's see. Do we want to put a bird on the inside. Why not? Why not put a bird on the inside? I think I will have this one. Let's get another block. See, I didn't design the inside of my card, but I decided I want to do some stamping on the inside. He's kind of a big bird, huh? We'll put him there. And we'll do a little bit of coloring in a moment. So that's the inside done. So let's go ahead and get, this is some Pebble Path that is, what is this? 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. The same size we're gonna layer for the inside. Okay, so then we have some designer series paper that is 3 1/2 by 3 1/2, and then 3 1/2 by 1 1/2. And we're going to go ahead and adhere this onto the Pebble Path. So we're going to be using the multi-purpose liquid glue for this. Oh, I think I wanted to do this one first. My goodness. Guess it really doesn't matter, because we're going to be covering up the seam. Okay, so we have that. Where's our 1 inch piece? Right here. And we're going to cover this. We're going to just add this right across, right about right there. So let's go ahead and do that now. Try to give it evenly spaced on here. Okay. And then we are going to adhere that to our card base, which is boho blue, and it is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4, and I'm just burnishing this score line there. And we're going to adhere this to the front of our card, to the card base. Just like this. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, so that is the foundation of our card. So now I have another piece of basic white. This one is 2 by 3. It could be any scrap that fits whatever you need, like the size you need for your image. And we're going to stamp this bird image, this little bird. I'm going to put him up here like this, just like that. And then we're going to get our boho blue again and take our thanks from what is it, Everyday Thanks, and we're just gonna sit this under it. Hopefully I spaced that out correctly. So then we're going to take our die from the Nested Essential Dies, and we're going to just die cut this out. So let's get back our baby boss and our cutting plates. Let's put this down here. That. Put our plate on and run it through. Come on. Okay, so we have that all die cut out. Let's put our die somewhere so we don't lose it. Okay, so now I'm going to get some scrap so that we can do some coloring. So I have some Stampin' Blends here, We have Calypso Coral. No, we don't. We have Cajun Craze Light and Dark. We have two lights, the Misty Moonlight and the Boho Blue, and then Dark Daffodil Delight. So let's go ahead and do the daffodil. Then we're going to do, what is this? This is the light boho. I'm going to do his wing and the boho. On this one, I'm going to color the bird, the body, and the boho. Then we're going to take the light misty moon, the light misty moonlight. Do a little coloring in. With the light of that. Then we're going to go back to the boho to blend it in. Okay, next we're going to take our light Cajun Craze. Yes, Cajun Craze. And we're going to color in this entire bird. And we're going to do the same over here for the wings. Okay, then we're going to get our dark Cajun. We're just going to dot where the little dashes are on this bird here, and on this one, just going to add some dark around these edges. On his tail feathers. Then go back in with the light and try to blend it all out. Okay, that is all of our coloring done. So let's go ahead and adhere this, get our inside put in. So we're going to put this onto the pebble path for the inside of our card. Like that. Okay, and ahead of time, I went ahead and colored this bird and cut it out and popped it up on some dimensionals, some mini Stampin' dimensionals. So we're gonna remove the backings of that. If I can, oh, I did. So, and I wanna just pop this up right over it. And the reason I colored the one under the bottom, just in case some people, you can see sometimes, if you don't line it up right. So I wanted the color to go underneath as well. Plus, I wanted to show you how I colored the bird since I had already done it. So let's get our inside glued in. I thought this would be a great back to school card, thanking teachers. Because, you know, sometimes you can thank people before they do stuff. So let's get our Stampin' dimensionals. Where did I put them? Dimensional. Okay, so let's put some mini dimensionals. Yes, I like to use them in a certain way. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm gonna put these in the corners. I'm trying not to put dimensionals where the bird is, since we already have dimensionals there. I'll put one more about right there to help even that out. So let's take the backings off of these. That was my take your pick tool. Whoops. And I am going to set this about right here. Let me see if that's straight. Do I want, no, I think I want it on this side. Yeah, let's do this side. Like that? Or do we want it up some? Let's do it up a little. Up a little bit. Okay, so we have that done. Now the last thing we have to do is put on our bling. So I have the 2023 to 2025 in color dots, and we are going to use the Pebbled Path since that is the color that we have for our cardstock on here. Oh, actually we have boho blue too, right? So we could use the boho blue. Decisions. Okay, I think I'm going to use some Pebbled Path. I'm going to put this one there. And there, this is the small one. Let's see. Oop, right there. Then we can do a medium-sized one about right here. Let's see. Put that there. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want. Just like that. Okay, you guys, look at that card. Isn't that cute? I love it. All right, that is it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.